The Spanish phrase for today's video is I'm home. Now this phrase is a little bit tricky because in the context I want to use it, it doesn't necessarily have a good translation, as I'm home translates to estoy en casa, which is just a statement saying that you are at home. In the context in which I'm talking about, it should mean that you had just arrived home, announcing that you just got home. That one would actually translate to ya llegué, which means I have arrived. This is a two-word phrase. Ya llegué. In this context, meaning I'm home. Again, the phrase is ya llegué. I'm home. Let me know how you would use this phrase in the comment section below. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.